It's beach day! It's our first beach day. Huh? We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. And you're just gonna eat your cornflakes. Well, let's go see. Let's see if the baby's awake, because we need to get going. Oh no, he's still asleep. Oh, he's awake. He's waking up. Oh, so pretty. So Ryan and his friend David are riding their bikes to the beach. And we're gonna go meet them there. And then Ryan's gonna ride his bike home, which is gonna be super tiring for him. But go for it. We're just gonna play. Play at the beach. Yeah. We do our beach dance. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Well, you don't want to do it now? We're going to the beach and we're gonna have fun. Link, where's your beach dance? We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. No, okay. Well, let's go. We're ready. Where are we, Link? Where are we? We're at the beach. We're at the beach. We made it. We're at the beach. Look at. There's the baby. We're gonna go see the water. What is it? Yeah. Is it gonna get your toes? Oh, little baby toes. Oh, we made it to the beach. Huh? Do you like the beach? Do you like the beach? Say bye. Say bye, Lake. He wasn't quite sure what he thought about the water because it's really big compared to all of us. But I love this beach. I'm so happy to be back. Daddy's home.
Ready? Set?
Oh my goodness, Mommy's getting sick. Oh my
Ready?
goodness.
Set?
Oh my goodness. We love it when Daddy comes home.
Arch!